What's going on, everybody? Ryan Motivates back at you here with another video. And in this video, I'm bringing you my house tour. You know, I moved here in October in this apartment, and it's now April. So it's 7 months I've lived here. It took me 7 months to furnish this place, to get it all nice and decorated, but it means so much to me. I'm so happy that it's finished, you know, because I can start putting my money into other places. You know, it took a lot of money to build this, but your environment is so important, you know, and I understood that you have to build your environment because it recharges you, you know, it's your comfort zone, you know, it's a place where you reset, you know, it's very important. So I put a lot of time, energy, and effort into my place, so I'm going to show you guys so you can get inspired. And without further ado, here we go.
On the beat.
Shoot your shot with a Draco, no kickback. There's soldiers out here on the block serving this and that. My nigga, it's okay if you ain't never been through that. Nah, I gotta stay in your task. Yeah, I'm on your ass. Why you speeding? Why you going so fast? Why this lifestyle moving so fast? Yeah, so fast. Whoa, just gotta slow down. Yeah, bitch keep calling my phone back to back like repeat. I pick up the phone, she calling just to say that she miss me. Shorty don't think I cut her off, please don't tell me. That bitch is even lucky even if I let her touch me. Shorty getting annoyed cause she turned up with the ram me. How you going to war with a pistol? You better grab your Sammy. If you wanna find me, it ain't hard to.
Alright, apartment 403. We're gonna start from the front door and make our way to the left. So we're gonna start with the bedroom. We've got a nice snake plant there in the corner. So this is my bedroom here. We got the LED lights up against the wall. Just got this bed frame in. And you can see a nice view here. And at night it's nice too. All these buildings light up and stuff. So yeah, it's a good vibe. And I made sure I got a nice humidifier here. Air purifier, very essential. Got the LED lights going along the wall. Got the motivational quote there, never say never, because limits like fears are often just an illusion. So important. We got the Formula One poster there. Nice galaxy vibe there. Nice beach vibe. I got my vision board on the wall. My goals, 5-year goals here. 1-year goals. And my money goal. Got my calendar, very important. Organized right here with all the essentials. And then, of course, you need the line poster, you know. Keep your head up and chest out. Courage, strength, faith, hope, respect, love. The mantra. So yeah, I got this bed frame from the Brick recently. It's pretty nice. Got this set up here, and my bed was on the floor for like so many months. Got this carpet set up here. This closet, the dual closet, is so nice. Show you a little bit inside this side here. Got it set up, organized, blacks on one side, colors on the other. Let's see this side here. This is a nice thing here. It's organized with all my stuff in there. So yeah, that's my bedroom. Now we're gonna make our way. Look at the motorcycle right here. Boom. That's gonna be me. So now we're heading to the washroom. This is the thing I was so happy to get. This Buddha poster right here, this canvas is so nice. Just looking at the eyes and like the vibe is just peacefulness. That's what I want in my bathroom to be, just a peaceful vibe, right? And I got the bonsai tree right there. Or nice and organized with all the essentials. Another organizing cabinet to the left there. And I love this thing that I added in. It is a koi fish Japanese style curtain. And these are the little details that make your place nice, right? So that's the washroom there. We got this little thing here my buddy gave me. Just a nice vibe there. We'll go towards the kitchen. The only time you should ever look back is to see how far you come. And I got my hockey stick there in the corner. This is the kitchen. So I got my microwave. This is where I'm storing all my plates and stuff. A lot of the stuff's in the washer right now, in the dishwasher. Thank God I have that thing. Set up right here. Got the protein, positive vibes. And over here, got the tea kettle to make the teas. Got a toaster, rice cooker. Got some wines, honey, stuff like that. The snack cabinet. Oh yeah, we stocked up. We eating over here. Yeah. All right. And then we got the calendar over here. And these are what I love, these posters here. This Porsche, oh my, so essential. And also, Peaky Blinders right there, amazing. My buddy gave me this too. It's such a nice vibe. Like these three all go so good together. Boom, nice setup. And I got the Keurig machine right there. I'm so happy I recently got this. And I'm so happy for it. I can have my coffees in the morning, got my printer, got my tripod set up there. Just like that. So we're gonna make our way around this way. Oh, gotta turn off this light. I'm keeping this raw. Alright, so we got the mirror here. What up? This was such an essential thing to get, this desk here. It just keeps everything nice and organized near the front. I can put my keys here and stuff. Like I got my sunglasses, got my hats. Got my wallet there, it's just nice and easy, and then I got the shoes set up here with the mats. So yeah, so you can see from this angle, this setup here. Yeah, and right here, boom! I love these. This is like the motivational wall right here. Money never sleeps. 7 rules of life. Let it go. Ignore them. Give it time. Don't compare. Stay calm. It's on you, and smell. And if you want to read the little things, just pause the screen right here and you can read them. But this thing right here I got recently, this was the finishing piece. Oh my, this thing is amazing. I love it. The world is yours. Such a cool vibe. It just completed the space. I got my desk set up here. I'm about to get a new computer chair, but whatever. It looks good for now. Got that nice digital clock there set up. Nice and clean. I move over here. This is my gym bag on the ground there. We got my nice coat rack with all my coats all organized. I love to have things nice and organized. This is a nice painting my buddy gave me as well. Boom. We got the living room now. So I'll start off the right side. This LED light bar is so awesome. It lights up any color and it really just lights up the whole place. So I would recommend buying these light bars. It's on Amazon. We got the nice palm tree vibes. Nice speakers my buddy gave me too. I got the shoes down here, the book by Russ, Crown Royal, 2 Skulls. I love this aesthetic. I went to this like place where they have a bunch of these items. I don't know what you call them, but they're nice. They have a bunch of different styles and stuff like that. We got the TV, nice setup. We got the gorilla, and there we go. Yeah. And then this tree right here is so amazing. I love this tree. I don't even know what it's called, but I loved it because the roots are intertwined like that. And it just gives such a nice peaceful vibe, kind of like Japanese vibes. And when I'm sitting here, I love it because I got my TV and then I got my 2 plants here. So nice. Such a vibe. I can look over here to the left, see the city. I love it. And then we're gonna look over here now to the couch. And I got my 2 blankets there. I love this wolf blanket. I got that recently. This couch, and I got this nice glass table. I got some candles there for the vibes, you know. And the Muskoka chair. It's funny. These are literally jackets from a party I threw the other day for my staff party. I have 3 jackets there that people left, but it's okay. I'll return it to the owners. And yeah, from my balcony wraps around from here. I got the lights on side. And I'm going to show a clip of what it looks like at night. It's pretty dope. Yeah, Muskoka chair there. I'm gonna get some fake grass to go along here. I haven't got that yet, but it's okay. And a hammock. I'm gonna get that for the springtime. And yeah, that's my view out here. And this is my place from this perspective. Oh yeah, this, I didn't talk about this canvas. This is one of the first ones I got. I love it. The sunset vibes. So awesome. And that lamp there changes colors as well. Yeah, everything in here just took so long to build because money doesn't grow on trees, right? I had to pay rent and furnish this place. I came here with nothing. And I got all this in 7 months. And I love it. My place is so awesome now. So yeah, that's my place setup. I am so happy for it. You know, let me know in the comments what you think about it. If there's anything you think I need to add or anything. Oh yeah, I almost forgot one last thing. So I had here actually set up on this hook. I had the basketball net to mess around with this thing. The dollar store hoops. But these guys broke it and they tried to tape it up from the party because we were like playing on it and stuff. But it's cool up there. I'm gonna get another one. It's like $2 at the dollar store. But that's a fun little thing to add to your place. And yeah, see if I'm forgetting anything. I don't really think so. But yeah, just a quick, easy little thing. Just show you guys the vibes I live in, the environment I created for myself, and have the peaceful vibes. I'm very inspired by the art I put on my walls and stuff. And I was very particular in the colors that I chose for things. Like, I got my blue bed frame there. You know, I just don't like when people buy all black or, you know, all gray or something. You have to switch it up. You have to see what makes sense for you and stuff like that. And I got a colorful canvas for the washroom, and I got the colorful curtain, and then I got like this nice couch here with a good material, and I got the blue chair. You know, you always have to add colors and life, and even the coffee maker, like it's red, you know. Think outside the box. Don't always get plain Jane stuff because, like I said, your environment is what nourishes you and makes you feel better at the end of the day. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Now that this is finished, I'm able to put my money into my grind and to come up, and I'm so happy. And yeah, this is just a milestone that I've reached. My place is finally all set, and now big things are coming your way and my way. All right, so that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, comment, and share this video. And stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I'll see you soon. Peace out.